Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we are going to be adding the Weathertech Extra Large Step Bumper, not just for convenience, but for bumper protection as well. You're going to need a torque wrench, number 12 Allen or hex socket, and a 3/8 inch adapter. Let's unbox this. You can see it's very large. It is the extra large bump step from Weathertech. Not only did I get this to just be able to access the truck bed easily, but I also got it to give me some protection from rear end collisions. All right, let's get our torque wrench ready. On the adapter, and set this to 30 foot-pounds. Now let's put it on our hex socket, number 12. And you can see the bottom of that, it's well constructed. All right, let's put this into the hitch, and let's see where this needs to line up. All right, let's put that nut in to about the number 3 up from the tail end of that. Let's put it on the washer, block washer. And let's slide that in. Let's get this hand started first. All right, let's torque this to 30 foot-pounds. And click. But this makes it very easy to get into the truck bed, I have to tell you. I definitely hope I never have to test this in an accident. Thank you for joining me. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and we'll see you next time.